I know nursing school didn't teach you this. Pop quiz. What is the difference between negligence and malpractice? If you don't know, and you might not, because most new nurses don't know that. Most seasoned nurses don't know that. And I know I didn't know that when I first started as a nurse. Years into my nursing practice, I didn't know the difference between that, right? It's not really until I had a lot more liability once I started to become a nurse practitioner that I really started to look into the difference between these things and understand the legal ramifications, guys. But here's the quick and dirty. Negligence, right? Which is one of the top things that nurses are charged for whenever our licenses are in question. Negligence, as it pertains to healthcare workers, involves not doing something that should have been done. If you are, I'm going to teach it in a simple way that might work for you. If not, you may find a different way to remember it. But negligence starts with N, and it pertains to not doing something. So N stands for no, not. So negligence is not doing something that should have been done. Okay, it means that there was failure to provide the standard of care that a reasonable, prudent nurse in the same situation would have done. And this is what I teach all the time. We're not comparing apples to, we're not comparing apples to oranges or mandarins and kiwi. We're comparing apples to apples. So what the Board of Nursing or what attorneys is looking for when it comes to negligence is what a prudent nurse in that same situation with the same scope of practice as you, what would they have done? Okay, what would they have done? Not what your coworkers are doing or anything like that. So when it comes to malpractice again has some of the similar tenants, so that's why the cases are usually dual together. It's usually negligence and malpractice that someone is charged with. But with the definition, based on the resources that I'm using and the research that I've done, malpractice is not doing something that should have been done, or doing something that should not have been done. Again, not doing something that should have been done, or doing something that should not have been done. Like and follow for more.